Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this a small video about gold. So let's get started here. Now, this is the monthly chart, wave one, two, and we are in the wave three of this big bracket wave count, right? So out of that, we have one, two, and maybe three is finished, or the other option is that we all also making like a smaller five wave count here. So if this is wave three finished, then we're dropping for wave four. If this is wave four, then we need to go up for wave five. That's one thing. So we need to go up according to this chart. Now, if you look at the weekly chart, now this after this wave two, we started wave three like wave one, two, three, and then we dropping for wave four. Then we need to go up for wave five to finish wave three, and then we're gonna drop for wave four. Either way, if this is the count, then wave four need to be finishing somewhere here and then go up for wave five anyway, right? So monthly chart showing that wave four finish, going up for wave five, about to finish, and weekly chart is also like maybe it's finished here or maybe about to finish and then go to the upside wave five. Now a little more breakdown on a daily chart. That if this is wave three, like this one here, let me show you this one, right? And then we are doing this wave four. So oh, come on, man. This computer is giving me a little problem here. uh, so this is wave three, right? So now this could be, wave four usually come in wave three, around 38% of wave three. So if you look at this here, A, B, and wave C, wave C usually is five waves, right? So you can see it's this count. It's like one, two, and then it's all the whole thing is like wave three, and then we are doing probably wave four, A, B, C. Now a little more breakdown, and then we go down in to 4 hour chart to see these internal wave count for wave three and current wave four going on. So this is how it is. So after this wave two finishing, so this is like one, two, three, four, five. This is wave three finished. Then we have A, B, and C. Probably we are going to the upside. C usually is wave C will finish. Sorry, wave C, ABC wave C is for wave four. Wave four is usually 38% of wave three. So wave three started from here to here. Then ABC 38%, a little more to the upside, right? That would finish wave four. If that is right, that count is right, then we need to drop one more time for wave five to this area. This is 3886, which is you can see here on a weekly chart. Where the maybe daily chart right there, this one, 3886, right? So after finishing wave four here at 38%, which is right around here, let me mark it down, right? And then we will drop wave five, or maybe it's finished. I don't know right now, right? But usually wave C goes a little bit above A, or at least equal to, right? So let's see. It could be a running flat, A, B, C, running flat. C stays below A, right? But in that case, B need to be below this as well. So it's not, right? So, but remember, Forex market is like never two plus two four, right? It's either two plus two three, sometimes five. It's like up and down a little bit, right? So maybe not. But somewhere here, I think that wave four is gonna finish, and then we're gonna drop for wave five. That would be ending for wave four of daily chart or weekly chart, and then we need to go to the upside. So either it's going to be the big count or the smaller count of that, but either way, we have to go to the upside for wave five. This is some kind of wave four finishing up, right? So again, I'm expecting that little more. See, it's dropping right now because a few minutes ago, 10, probably 10, 20, 30 minutes ago, and at 9:30 there was an Aussie news, and I think Aussie got a little stronger. So or something, I don't know. I have I haven't looked at it. So something happened. News, the red news was there, Aussie dollar. So it's coming down right now, right? A little bit. But maybe, this thing is going to stop, or this thing, one of these levels, and then we go up again. So now, from now, I mean, not from now, but, going up from here, 39.98 and up, that was a clear sign that we're probably gonna hold this area and then go up. So what I did so far, going to the upside this week, I'm not gonna show all the trades from the past, but from this week you can see here that this was the first one here, right? Beautiful entry by the book entry here, buy entry here's here. We go into the upside, and from 40.33 to 40.66, and then I had the other one yesterday. It's right from here going to the upside from 40.46 to 41.14. These are the two gold trades that I took, right? And then I'm still again like waiting for. Let's see, we go on a live chart here. Once again, man, why this computer is slow? Okay, so let's say on a 20-minute 1,000 box size. I have different chart, different box size. So see this beautiful entry here, entry here. Now it's coming down here after the news, obviously. And let's see if this area hold, and then we go back up. If you go back up, then I will be taking the entry from this chart, this one. Okay, so right now it's completely bearish, but if it start to go up, if you need to go to the upside, then it will just simply go to the upside from here, right? So, and then I'll take another entry going for wave C, which will end wave 4 to the upside. Then we will drop for wave 5 according to my 4-hour chart, right? So let's see how the drama unfolds and what is up, right? So this area hold, I don't have marked here, but this one and this one, I like to see the price stay above and then go up again into this area. This is like 42.74, 45 area, right? Around 38%. And then we will drop. So first up, then down. Let's see what happens, right? So this is it for now. And another thing that Omar told me to mention that, he's getting a few emails about, prices too much, one-on-one. And then, some people are like asking if we have some kind of like a payment plan or something like that. So, but for you to know that, we have on our website something, I think he's told me, there's some company, let's say, Kalerna and Afterpay or something like that, right? Which these companies, they offer like 4 payment plans or something like that, right? So you can use them, and if somehow something happen, if you don't qualify, if whoever needs it, right? So if he or she doesn't qualify, then you can just simply contact us. We might be able to do something, right? So just email and see what happens, what kind of payment plan we can offer you. All right. So, but try using those Kalerna and Afterpay, and that they're very easy. That's what I heard. They're probably like 4 or 6 payment plans, something like that. They give you with no interest, by the way, right? So that's what it is. So this is it for now, and thanks for watching. And let's see how the gold is going to behave. If it's going to go up and then drop, or it's going to simply go up, then drop here halfway, 61%, and then continue to the upside then, right? So either way, we need to finish this wave 4 here and go big time to the upside for wave 5. Remember that. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the week.